In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a whiteboard animation video in Canva. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design. Select Video or Video Landscape format. Click on the background and set it to white. Now, go to Elements and search for Characters. Add a simple character or stick figure to your canvas. Next, go to Text and add your script or key points. Keep the text simple and easy to read. Use black or dark colors for a whiteboard look. Now select your elements and click on Animate. Choose animations like draw, fade, or slide. Adjust the timing to match your flow. Add more pages to create multiple scenes. Keep each scene clean and focused. Preview your video to check the animation. Once you're happy, click on Share. Click Download and choose MP4 format. That is how you make a whiteboard animation video in Canva.